Hey, what's going on everybody? What's good? My name is John Alexander. In today's video, we will be unboxing an unreleased pair of sneakers, but I actually don't know what Yeezys are in this box. So stay tuned for the video. You guys are gonna find out why. It's coming right up next, y'all. So what is good everybody? What's going on? My name is John Alexander. Welcome back to the channel. We got an unboxing of an unreleased pair of Yeezy 350 V2s. So y'all remember back a few videos back I said which Yeezys do you want me to get off GOAT. They had a bunch of these unreleased Yeezys that have leaked on the GOAT app. A lot of these shoes come without the box. Now don't ask why they don't come without the box. That's for a whole nother topic. But we got a pair right here in hand to showcase live on the channel here for y'all. Now this is a size 8, so we won't be putting these on feet, but it's cool that I was able to pick these up. That way I can kind of factor if I want to get these joints when they drop or if I'm going to pass on these joints when they drop. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Oh yeah, but before I do so, I'm going to give away this Jesus is King New York tee. So all you guys got to do is stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll be able to find out how to win this tee for free. So shout out to everybody that subscribes to the channel. Stay tuned for the end of the video. We'll give you all the details on how to win that for free. So this shoe is actually unreleased like we mentioned. Now I don't know what these are because when I purchased these, it said they were the 350 V2 Marsh, but they showed the picture of Earth. So as y'all know, before Yeezy Mafia kind of set everything straight with all the Yeezy 350 spring lineup, a lot of the pictures were mixed up with different names. So again, these said 350 V2 Marsh, but they showed a picture of the Earth. So I'm hoping they're the Earth joints. As y'all know, the Marsh is set to drop tomorrow, Saturday, February 1st. So let's go ahead and get right into these. Now the Earth joints are fire. If y'all can remember, there was like a runway sample, pair of Yeezy 350 V2s. And they were like in a dark green colorway and everybody was feeling those, but it looked like they got canceled or whatever. So we never actually got to see these. Now remember, I got these off GOAT with no box. And it looks like, yup, it is not the Marsh pair, but these are actually those Earth joints. So what do y'all think? Leave your first impressions down in the comments below, y'all. So these joints are dope. These Earth joints are fire, y'all. Check them out up close. A couple little details that you'll notice is the inverted stitching. Now the color on this is like a brown, mustard, yellowish, tan type of color. So your Yeezy colorways are always unique. These kind of remind me of like a variation of those clay joints. This is a real dope, clean colorway. So you got the return of the pull tab. He's got that little pop with the yellow on the bottom with the exposed boost there. And the stripe is translucent, so there's no 3M on these. And if y'all want to see it up close at the tag, remember, these joints are unreleased. So we copped these off the GOAT app. So you'll notice once you get on that GOAT app that there is a whole bunch of unreleased Yeezys. So I did notice they had the Desert Sage. I'm picking those up next to check out here on the channel. But drop a comment down below if there's any other unreleased Yeezys you want to see me pick up to get a first-hand look here on the channel. I feel like those Desert Sage joints are definitely the most anticipated, but I'm really curious to see how those March joints turn out tomorrow when they drop, because they are a Yeezy Supply exclusive. I'm really curious to see how the stock goes with those joints, and I'm really curious to see what time they're gonna drop. If they're gonna shock drop in the middle of the night, or if they're gonna have that typical 10 a.m. start time. I don't know, we're just gonna have to wait and see. But drop a comment down below and let me know what y'all think. So as a personal cop, I would definitely say I'm gonna have to pick these up. I'm gonna have to say, I do like the fact that these aren't too loud, you know, they're real subtle. They could even go just clean with a fit like this. So I'm always a fan of brown sneakers. But I don't wanna just say they're brown because they are kind of like in that tan realm, to kind of give you an idea of the color of the shoe. Like for example, when you compare it to other brown Yeezys, see, so they're not really a brown. They're like a brown mustard would be the best way that I could compare these. So dope shoe, really fire. I'll be checking for these when they drop. Again, these are currently unreleased, y'all. So I don't have a date yet. But based on the fact that there's early pairs out, these gotta be coming soon. If I had to guess, I would probably say sometime in March. So we definitely know these are confirmed for spring. So we won't have to wait too long if you guys are interested in this shoe. So real fire, these are the Yeezy Earth 350 V2s, real clean. Stay tuned for these, y'all. Now, I did do a giveaway yesterday, so check out my video yesterday. Did a giveaway for that little Jesus is King poster, so you guys could still have a chance to win that. But this one's about the Jesus is King. This dropped with the New York merch. So this is actually a size medium. So if it doesn't fit you, it's a $50 value or more, whatever you can sell it for. But these things are selling right now on StockX. So just a little way to give back to the channel, you know. So all y'all gotta do is just, of course, be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on IG, it's JawTheGreat38 on Instagram. And leave a comment on this video and include your IG name in that comment. So that's it, y'all. Just want to give back to y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much for all the support. Let me know if you guys are picking these up when they drop. And that's gonna kind of wrap it up. So we just wanted to get a quick little look. Next video, I'm gonna try to cop, well, not the next video, but my next pair is gonna be those Desert Sage joints. So look out for that video, guys. So thank y'all so much. My name is John Alexander. Everybody stay blessed, guys, and I'm out.